Welcome back. Today we're looking at a powerhouse cleaning robot designed for homes that need strong suction, smart navigation, and advanced carpet protection features. This is the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete, a robot vacuum and mop built to deliver top-tier cleaning performance with minimal maintenance and maximum automation. Right away, the Z60 Ultra stands out with its impressive 28,000 PA suction power. That's strong enough to pull embedded dust, food crumbs, fine particles, and even stubborn pet hair out of carpets. Whether you're dealing with daily messes, high traffic areas, or heavy shedding, this robot has the power to leave your floors noticeably fresher and cleaner. One of its standout features is the AutoShield carpet protection system. When the robot detects carpet, it automatically lifts and shields the mop module to avoid unwanted moisture on fabric surfaces. This keeps carpets dry and protected while allowing the robot to maintain strong suction for deep cleaning. It's a critical feature for mixed floor homes where switching between tile, hardwood, and carpet happens constantly. The Zero Tangling DuoBrush system is another major advantage. It's engineered to resist hair wrapping, making it ideal for pet owners or long-hair households. This dual brush setup keeps suction consistent and reduces how often you need to manually clean the roller. For obstacles and home layouts, the Z60 Ultra is equipped with 3.14-inch obstacle crossing capability, allowing it to glide over thresholds, rug edges, and uneven surfaces without interruption. It stays stable, adapts quickly, and maintains speed even on transitions where most robots struggle. A special highlight is the extendable roller and extendable side brush. These components automatically reach outward to sweep corners, wall edges, and tight spaces more effectively. Many robot vacuums leave dust in those areas, but this system helps cover gaps that round robots typically miss. Its smart navigation system allows the robot to map your entire home, recognize furniture, avoid clutter, plan efficient cleaning routes, and adjust its behavior depending on the floor type. Through the app, you can create no-go zones, room-based cleaning schedules, suction settings, mop strength, and multi-floor maps. Whether you have pets, kids, carpeted rooms, or a lot of mixed flooring, the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete delivers a strong, intelligent, and highly automated cleaning experience. If you want a robot that's powerful, low maintenance, and packed with advanced features, this one is definitely worth checking out. Tap the Amazon link below for more details, and don't forget to subscribe for more detailed tech product breakdowns.